We girls are often so obsessed with applying mascara, because it makes our eyelashes look bigger and fuller instantly. Even if we do not use eyeliner, we definitely use mascara in our daily makeup routine. Long and thick eyelashes considered as sign of beauty, in almost every culture. Mascara can make your eyelashes look beautiful temporarily, but if you have naturally very thin and short eyelash, mascara won't give much difference. For this problem, I have a solution. Today I am going to share a DIY eyelash growth serum. I have been using this DIY serum since last few months, and I have got amazing results. Make sure to be consistent with this DIY eyelash growth serum, so that you get effective and noticeable results. Also, you have to be patient, because it will take a while to grow beautifully. Ingredients: sweet almond oil 1 tablespoon, castor oil 1 tablespoon, vitamin E oil capsules 2. How to make DIY eyelash growth serum at home. Take a clean bowl, and add 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Poke 2 vitamin E oil capsules, and add into it. Now mix all the ingredients well. Store this eyelash growth serum in a clean dropper bottle, or you can also store this in an old, clean mascara bottle, if you have one. How to use DIY eyelash growth serum. You have to apply this right before you go to bed, so make sure you have no makeup on. Remove makeup gently using micellar water or cleansing balm. Wash your face with a face wash to remove all the residue. Take about 1 or 2 drops of DIY eyelash growth serum and just warm it up by rubbing your fingertips for a few seconds. Then gently start rubbing it onto your lash line. Make sure you apply this on the roots. Apply some on your lower lash line as well. Are you going to try this eyelash growth serum? Let me know in the comment section below.